أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. ربنا زدنا علما، اللهم فقهنا في الدين، آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn Surah Al-Inshiqaq. Let's learn the whole surah inshallah. First I'm gonna recite this. After that inshallah let's look into Tajweed rulings inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذا السماء انشقت وأذنت لربها وحقت وإذا الأرض مدت وألقت ما فيها وتخلت وأذنت لربها وحقت يا أيها الإنسان إنك كادح إلى ربك كدحا فملاقيه فأما من أوتي كتابه بيمينه فسوف يحاسب حسابا يسيرا وينقلب إلى أهله مسرورا وأما من أوتي كتابه وراء ظهره فسوف يدعو ثبورا ويصلى سعيرا إنه كان في أهله مسرورا إنه ظن أن لن يحور بلى إن ربه كان به بصيرا فلا أقسم بالشفق والليل وما وسق والقمر إذا اتسق لتركبن طبقا عن طبق فما لهم لا يؤمنون وإذا قرئ عليهم القرآن لا يسجدون بل الذين كفروا يكذبون والله أعلم بما يوعون فبشرهم بعذاب أليم إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم أجر غير ممنون. Okay, Alhamdulillah. So now inshallah let's look into Tajweed rulings of these ayah. Ayah number 1. إذا السماء انشقت. Okay. إذا السماء. Dhal here is with no buzzing sound, and this is Alif Maddiya, which we are going to cancel due to the ruling of Iltiqa Sakinain. As the next word is starting with Hamzatul Wasl, the mad gets cancelled. Connect this Dhal directly to Seen. إذا السماء. Alif Maddiya for 4 count or 5 count, mad due to Hamza, but we're gonna just keep it for 4 haraka. Mad al wajib muttasil. إذا السماء إذا السماء انشقت. Connect this Hamza to this Nun Sakina. Nun Sakina is followed by Sheen. So we'll do Ikhfa here for 2 count. Gunna. سماء انشقت. انشا انشا. Okay. 2 haraka Gunna. شقت. Qaf heavy and ta sakina with hums while stopping. إذا السماء انشقت وأذنت لربها وحقت. وأذنت. Zal with no buzzing sound and ta is pronounced with hums. وأذنت. Hums yani the continuation of the breath. وأذنت لربها. Ra is heavy. لربها. This ha is from the last part of the throat with a very blunt sound. لربها وحقت. This ha is very sharp here and the qaf is heavy. Again while stopping, the letter ta already has the sakin. We will pronounce it with hums. وحقت. وأذنت لربها وحقت. وإذا الأرض مدت. وإذا. Dhal with no buzzing sound and this alif mad is cancelled while connecting due to this connecting hamza, that is hamzatul wasl. وإذا الأرض. Hamza is light but the ra sakin and dad should be heavier. أرض. أرض. Don't make this hamza heavy. أرض مدت. Ta again while stopping with a sakin, we'll have to do hums there. وَإِذَا الْأَرْضُ مُدَّتْ وَأَلْقَتْ مَا فِيهَا وَتَخَلَّتْ. وَأَلْقَتْ. Qaf heavier and ta with hums. Ma fiha. All these letters for two to count. Ma fiha. وَتَخَلَّتْ. Kha is heavy again. Kha, kha. وَتَخَلَّتْ. Ta sakina. Here we'll do hums inshallah. وَأَلْقَتْ مَا فِيهَا وَتَخَلَّتْ. وَأَذِنَتْ لِرَبِّهَا وَحُقَّتْ. وَأَذِنَتْ. Dhal with no buzzing sound and ta with hums. وَأَذِنَتْ لِرَبِّهَا. Ra is heavy. وَحُقَّتْ. Ha should be sharp and qaf is heavier. Ta with hums. وَحُقَّتْ. وَأَذِنَتْ لِرَبِّهَا وَحُقَّتْ. يا أيها الإنسان إنك كادح إلى ربك كدحا فملاقيه. يا أيها. This is mad al-jaiz munfasil, the mad due to hamza. We'll have to stretch it for 4 haraka. Ya ayyuha. This ya which has tajdeed should be emphasized or else it will sound like ayyu, ayyu. You should not make it very light sounding like ayyu. It has a strength in it. Due to that tajdeed, it should be very stronger. Ayyu. Do the nabar there, raising the accent. Ya ayyuha. This alif mad is cancelled while connecting due to this connecting hamza, hamzatul wasl. Ya ayyuhal insanu. Insanu. Ikhfa is done. Insanu. Innaka. Noon mushaddad to count gunna. Kadihun. Kadihun. Ha very sharp. Ila. To haraka. Alif makhsura. Rabbika. Ra heavier. Kadhan. Dal with qalqala. Kadhan. Ha should be very sharp and tanween is followed by fa. We will do ikhfa for 2 count. Kadhan famulaqih. Famulaqih. Qaf should be very clear, should not sound like a kha. Mulaqih. While stopping, this ha is recited with sakina. Madul arid li sukun is also applied, which can be stretched for either 2 count or 4 count or 6 count, and we are going to keep it just 4 count inshallah. يا أيها الإنسان إنك كادح إلى ربك كدحا فملاقيه. Okay, next ayah. فأما من أوتي كتابه بيمينه. فأما. Mim mushaddad to count gunna and also stretch it for 2 haraka due to this alif maddiya. فأما من. No extra gunna, idhar, because next word is hamza. the next word is starting with Hamza, that is the next letter is Hamza. So huruf al-halqi, just idhar. Man utiya kitabahu. Ta for 2 haraka, kitabahu. Ha for 2 count, madal sila sughra. Or you can just say inverted dhamma for 2 count. Kitabahu biyamini. Biyaminih. While stopping, this mad al sila sughra, the standing kasra, will convert to sakina, and we will pronounce this ha with sakin. No mad al arid sukun can be applied here, as there is no huruf al mad before that sakin letter. Just biyaminih. Okay. فَأَمَّا مَنْ أُوتِيَ كِتَابَهُ بِيَمِينِهِ فَسَوْفَ يُحَاسَبُ حِسَابًا يَسِيرًا. فَسَوْفَ, not فَسَوْفَ. Saw, how kind of sound for vowel. فَسَوْفَ يُحَاسَبُ, ha very sharp. حِسَابًا, even here the ha is sharp. حِسَابًا, ya. Idgham with 2 count غنة. حِسَابًا يَسِيرًا. Okay, while stopping here, madal iwad ruling is applied, where tanween of fatha, that is fathatan, will be substituted into alif maddiya while stopping. And while converting that to alif maddiya, obviously the ra will be heavy, inshallah. Yasira. Stretch it for 2 count. فَسَوْفَ يُحَاسَبُ حِسَابًا يَسِيرًا وَيَنْقَلِبُ إِلَىٰ أَهْلِهِ مَسْرُورًا. وَيَنْقَلِبُ. Wow, the waw is with tajdeed because the previous word is ending with tanween letter. Okay. Or idgham will take place when we connect both the ayahs, or else just wayanqalibu. Wayanqalibu. Ikhfa is done here. Noon sakin is followed by qaf. Qaf is recited heavily. Wayanqalibu ila ahlihi. This is madal jaiz munfasil, stretching it for 4 haraka. Ahlihi. Ha should be very clear and don't do qalqala there. Don't recite it ahlihi. This is wrong. Ahlihi. Ahlihi. Okay, this is madal sila sughra for 2 count. That is standing kasra stretched for 2 haraka. Ahlihi masrura. Masrura. Both the ra's are heavy here, and while stopping, madal iwad ruling is applied. Run is converted to ra, 2 count. Mad al iwad ruling. وَيَنْقَلِبُ إِلَىٰ أَهْلِهِ مَسْرُورًا وَأَمَّا مَنْ أُوتِيَ كِتَابَهُ وَرَاءَ ظَهْرِهِ. وَأَمَّا ميم مشدد 2 count غنة, and also stretch it for 2 haraka due to this alif maddiya. Man, noon sakin with izhar, no extra gunna because next letter is hamza. Man utiya, u for 2 count, utiya kitabahu, ta for 2 count, and this ha is also for 2 haraka, madal sila sughra. Kitabahu wara'a, ra is heavy, and alif madda is followed by hamza in the same word. Mad al wajib muttasil, stretch it for 4 haraka. Wara'a dhahri, dha is heavy with no buzzing sound, and this ha is pronounced with sakina and with a blunt sound from the last part of the throat. Here also, while stopping, the standing kasra will convert to sakina. This ha is also pronounced clearly with sakin, inshallah, like dhahri with no qalqala. It should not sound dhahrih, dhahrih. Okay. وَأَمَّا مَنْ أُوتِيَ كِتَابَهُ وَرَاءَ ظَهْرِهِ فَسَوْفَ يَدْعُو ثُبُورًا. فَسَوْفَ, how kind of sound? Not sofa. فَسَوْفَ يَدْعُو, dal with the qalqala, and ain should be clear, not yadu. يَدْعُو ثُبُورًا. Tha should not have a buzzing sound. It is not a su, it is a su. Again, while stopping, run will convert into ra, that is mad al-iwad, substituting. Thubura. فسوف يدعو ثبورا ويصلى سعيرا. Yes, صاد is heavy, not ويس. Yes is light. Yes. Okay, صاد must be heavier. ويصلى سعيرا. Don't make this lam heavy with the صاد, and also don't make ya heavy. It is not ويصلى. ويصلى سعيرا. Ain should be clear. سعيرا. Again here while stopping, fathatan will convert into or substitute into alif maddiya. Stretch it for 2 haraka and make that ra heavy. ويصلى سعيرا. Okay. إنه كان في أهله مسرورا. إنه نون مشدد 2 count غنة. Who for 2 حركات. This is مد الصلة صغرى. Inverted ضمة 2 count. كان كاف 2 حركة. كان في أهله. مد الجائز منفصل where حروف المد is followed by hamza in a separate word. 4 حركة is stretched here. أهله. Ha with no qalqala there. Don't recite it. أهله. It is أهله. Again this ha is for 2 count. مد الصلة صغرى. مسرورا. Both the ra is heavy, but here this run will convert into ra due to mad al-iwad ruling. Substitution will take place of fathatan into alif maddiya. Recite that ra heavy for 2 count. إنه كان في أهله مسرورا. إنه ظن أن لن يحور. إنه نون مشدد كان غنة. هو for 2 حركة stretching. مد الصلة صغرى. ظن. ظا should be heavier and also with no buzzing sound. It's not a ظن. ظن. نون مشدد 2 كان غنة. ألن يحور. Noon sakin is followed by lam, so we will not do any gunna here. Gunna, no gunna means completely removal of noon, that is merging completely, because this noon sakin is in this lam, that is why it has tajdeed. Idgham without gunna, the complete idgham takes place here. You will just connect this hamza directly to lam like Allah. Allah. Okay, this noon sakin is already in this lam, so emphasize it. ألن يحور. لن إدغام with 2 حركة غنة. ألن يحور. يحور. Ha should be very sharp, and while stopping the ra will acquire temporary sukoon. We can apply madul arid li sukoon, which can be stretched either for 2 count, 4 count or 6 count. We are going to keep it just 4 haraka, and also the ra will acquire sakin, right? So that ra will be heavier because the letter before it is also sakin and the letter before that is carrying dhamma, so the ra sakin will be heavier inshallah. إنه ظن أن لن يحور. بلى إن ربه كان به بصيرا. بلى مد الجائز منفصل where حروف المد is followed by hamza in a separate word. We will stretch it for 4 haraka. You can see there are 2 signs of waqf here. One is mu'anniqat and another is a jim. Waqf al-jaiz, this is mu'anniqat where they come always in a pair. These 3 dots will always come in a pair, either in a same word, same ayah, or in a separate 2 different ayahs, but not so far. Okay, they'll be very near to each other. What is the ruling of these 3 dots? That you cannot stop at both the points. Okay, either you continue on both the points or stop at first or stop at second, but not on both. But here we are stopping due to the ayah, right? Ending of an ayah. That alamat is very strongest alamat among all the other alamat of waqf. So we are stopping here due to the stopping point. That is the ending of an ayah. If you want to stop here, you can, because there is another alamat here that is called as waqf al-jayz. But if you continue, that would be better, inshallah. If you continue, it will be for 4 count. And if you don't continue, then it should stop. You should stop here with just 2 haraka. Bala. Okay, while continuing, 4 count. Bala inna. Noon mushaddad, kan gunna. 2 haraka gunna is done. Rabbahu, ra heavy, hu for 2 haraka, madal sila sughra. Kana, ka 2 haraka. Bihi, again this ha is madal sila sughra, 2 count. Basira, basira, not basira. Sad is heavy and ra is also heavy. Basira, basi, okay, and the ra should be heavier. We are converting that fathatan into alif maddiya. Stretch it for 2 count. Bala inna rabbahu kana bihi basira. Fala uqsimu bishafaq. Fala, madal jaiz munfasil here. Alif mad is followed by hamza in a separate word. 4 count stretching. Fala uqsimu, qafid qalqala. Uqsimu bishafaq. Connect this bar to this sheen. Okay, bishafaq. While stopping this qaf will acquire sakin. As soon as it acquires sakin, we'll have to apply its ruling of qalqala there. We will recite it. Bishafaq, shafaq, qalqala. فلا أقسم بالشفق والليل وما وسق. والليل, not layli, layli. I kind of sound for this yaleen. والليل وما وسق. Again, while stopping, the qaf will acquire sakin and we will do qalqala. والليل وما وسق والقمر إذا اتسق. والقمر, qaf is heavy. إذا, no buzzing sound to this dal, and this alif madya is cancelled due to the next word starting with hamzatul wasl. إذا اتسق. Again, qaf will acquire sakin while stopping and we will do qalqala. والقمر إذا اتسق لتركبن طبقا عن طبق. لتركبن, ra sakin is heavier. تركبن, noon mushaddad to kan gunna. طبقا, ta heavy, ba light, qaf heavy. طبقا, tanween followed by ain, so no extra gunna, just izhar. طبقا عن طبق. Ain should be clear. Noon sakin followed by ta. We will do ikhfa here, but that ikhfa, the gunna in it will sound bit heavier due to this heavy letter ta. Okay, ta is also heavy, but ba will be light. Tabaq. While stopping again, the qaf will acquire sakin and we will do gunna there. We will do qalqala there. Okay. لتركبن طبقا عن طبق فما لهم لا يؤمنون. فما, 2 haraka. لهم, mim sakin followed by lam, therefore no extra gunna required, just izhar shafawi. فما لهم la, 2 haraka. This is compulsory. If you convert that to 1 count, that will be lehn al-jali. La yu'minun, hamza with a jerk. This is wow, but there is hamza above it. That's why we'll pronounce that hamza with a jerk, the cut off sound. Qata yu'minun. While stopping, we will apply the ruling of madul arid li sukun here, which can be stretched for either 2 count or 4 count or 6 count. Right? We are just gonna keep it 4, inshallah. فما لهم لا يؤمنون وإذا قرئ عليهم القرآن لا يسجدون. وإذا, dal with no buzzing sound, and stretch it for 2 haraka. وإذا قرئ. Qaf should be clear, not khu, qu. Aqsar lisan touching the upper soft palate. Quri'a, this is Hamza, not Ya, okay? There is Hamza about this Ya, which has Fatha. So we should recite that Hamza, not this Ya. Quri'a alayhimu. Not A, it is A. Wasatul halaq. And lay sound, not lay. It is not alay, it is alayhimul Qur'anu. Qur, Ra sakin heavy. Qur'anu. La should be for two haraka. You cannot stretch it for one. It is la yasjudun. Yasjudun. While stopping, madul arid lisukun. For two haraka, 4 or 6 count, we are keeping it 4. And this is the ayah of sajda, where after reciting we will have to do a prostration, that is sajda, and we should recite the dua of sajda there. Okay, this is the sajda of tilawa. Alhamdulillah. How to do when we are reciting it for many times? For the first time when we recite this, you will have to do the sajda. After that, in the class, we will recite it for many times, but that doing that sajda again is not required. Okay, and the sajda of tilawa is not compulsory to do. It is sunnah. If you want to do, you can, and if you don't do, you will be not sinning. Okay, but if you do, it would be better. And throughout the recitation, as we are reciting it for many times in this class, it is enough if we do it for once in the beginning, inshallah. وَإِذَا قُرِئَ عَلَيْهِمُ الْقُرْآنُ لَا يَسْجُدُونَ بَلِ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا يُكَذِّبُونَ بَلِ الَّذِينَ, connect this lam to this lam. بَلِ الَّذِينَ, not a z, it is a z with no buzzing sound. بَلِ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا, ra is heavier. Yukadhibun, dhal with no buzzing sound, and while stopping we will apply the ruling of madul arid lisukun, that can be stretched either for 2 haraka or 4 or 6, and we are just keeping it 4 count, inshallah. بل الذين كفروا يكذبون والله أعلم بما يوعون. Wallahu, lam al jalala is heavy because the letter before it is with fatha. Wallahu a'lamu. Ain should be clear, not alamu. A'lamu. A'lamu. Bima yu'un. Even here the ain should be clear. Don't convert that to hamza. Yu'un. While stopping, we can apply the ruling of madul arid lisukun, and we are stretching it just for 4 count. والله أعلم بما يوعون فبشرهم بعذاب أليم. فبشرهم. فبشر, ra sakin here is light because the letter before it is with kasra. Hum, mim sakina followed by ba. Ikhfa shafawi is done with 2 count gunna. فَبَشِّرْهُمْ بِعَذَابٍ. Ain should be clear. It should not sound like Hamza. And Dhal with no buzzing sound. بِعَذَابٍ. Tanween followed by Hamza. No extra gunna. Just idhar. Alim. While stopping again, here we can do madul arid lisukun. فَبَشِّرْهُمْ بِعَذَابٍ أَلِيمٍ إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم أجر غير ممنون. إلا, لا مشدد, put a stress on it, emphasize it. There is alif maddiya as well, but we are not stretching it. Why? Because next word starting with hamzatul wasl, iltaqa sakinan ruling is applied, where mad will be cancelled if next word is starting with hamzatul wasl. إلا الذين, not zina, it is dhal with no buzzing sound. إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا. A should be clear, and here there is waw sakin actually, that is the waw maddiya. But same iltaqa sakin and ruling when the next word is starting with hamzatul wasl, as-sali hati. We are going to cancel this waw maddiya. Therefore, there is no sakin, just to indicate it for the reciter that we are not going to stretch it while continuation. But if you want to stop here, then you will recite it for 2 haraka, like amanu wa amilu. Okay, only while connecting you should ignore it. وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ. So is heavy, not salihati. It is salihati. Okay, ha is also very sharp. وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ لَهُمْ. Mim sakin, no extra gunna because next letter is hamza, so it is izhar shafawi. Lahum ajrun. Jim with the qalqala. أجر. را بالضمتان is heavier. أجر. تنوين followed by غين حروف الحلق, no extra غنة, just إظهار. أجر غير, not غير, a sound should not be there. غير, ra is heavy. ممنون. Mim sakin with no extra gunna, just izhar. And while stopping, here the noon will acquire temporary sukoon, and we can apply the ruling of madul arid li sukoon, that can be stretched either for 2 count or 4 count or 6 count. We have kept it for throughout the session, so it will be 4 haraka only. We cannot change it for 2 sometimes, 4 or 6 sometimes. In one session, in one tilawa, it should be exact the way which we kept in the beginning. If we keep it 4, then it is 4 throughout the tilawa. إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم أجر غير ممنون. Alhamdulillah, so we have completed learning the tajweed rulings of this surah. If you have any doubts regarding the tajweed rulings of these ayahs, you can ask me. After that, let's recite it for many times, inshallah. No doubts? Okay, so let's end the meeting, inshallah. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.